A woodpecker slams its head into trees 12,000 times a day at 1,200 G-force. Why doesn't its brain turn to mush? Watch a woodpecker peck. 20 strikes per second. Head moving at 15 miles per hour. Each impact generates a force 14 times stronger than what gives humans a concussion. If you tried this once, you'd suffer severe brain damage. The woodpecker does it 12,000 times, every single day. For decades, scientists believed woodpeckers had shock absorbers in their skulls. They were wrong. 2022 research revealed the truth. Their skulls don't absorb impact. They act like stiff hammers. So how do they survive? Their brain weighs just 0.07 ounces, tightly packed inside the skull with almost no room to move. The hyoid bone, a structure supporting their tongue, wraps completely around their skull like a seatbelt, stabilizing everything. The secret? Physics. Small objects can withstand massive forces, like how a fly smashes into windows without dying. Woodpeckers don't need padding. Evolution built them as living hammers. 12,000 strikes a day, 0 concussions. Follow for nature's engineering secrets.